Hi guys, we are at Kesté restaurant and we are here with Roberto. Roberto, thank you for having us.
Oh, thank you for coming here. We are very happy when you come here. So look at the sun.
I love Kesté. I love Kesté. So tell us a little bit about the concept of Kesté and also what it means.
Kesté means this is it. It's in Nepal language. So we find the name because when we are kids, my mama tell, Mom, I don't want this pasta, I don't want this. This is it. This on the bed. So the idea that this is it. This is what we have here. This is what the pizza is. The flour uses come from Italy. It's caputo, and the tomatoes come from Italy. The pizza makers come from Italy too. They shipped me with the boat together.
Good. Original.
Original. And so we try to be ways more authentic possible.
And we're lucky tonight because we get to learn how
Absolutely.
to make the real pizza. So tell me, you give pizza classes?
Okay, we do pizza classes for professional people for a long time, and 4 years ago when we opened this location, we did a pizza class for fun, for recreational. Kids become very important after the pandemic. Team building, most every night before the pandemic we have a class here, and now we start again. We have a lot of requests for that, and because people have fun, they learn about making pizza. That is very important for them. So
great. So let's try it.
Let's do it. Let's go.
Yes, let's go.
And you can come with me. We can go together. You follow me.
Yes. All right. My pizza!
You did that.
I did it, yes. I don't even know what to do with this. Yay!